A former winner of Bachelor and Bachelorette contestant Bob Guiney knows a thing or two about making great first impressions, and as a panelist on the Today Show's Guys Tell All, he's accustomed to explaining what guys want and think. Now, as a father of two, he can also share his family perspective on how to make Valentine's Day special for the whole family. Hi, Bob.
Hey guys! Now this Valentine's Day, send the special person in your life a beautifully curated floral arrangement from Teleflora, the world's leading floral delivery service. You can wow them with the Teleflora's Love Sparkles bouquet or Teleflora's Charming Mosaic bouquet. Now I love that they are always made by hand and delivered to your doorstep by a local florist, complete with a festive keepsake container that can be incorporated into your home decor for years to come. Simply go to teleflora.com to order and surprise your Valentine. Now, to get your Valentine ready for any adventure, I love the Garmin Fenix 7 series multi-sport smartwatches. They combine the best features of fitness and outdoor watches, including wellness monitoring, superior navigation, and built-in sports apps for running, biking, and pickleball. They have a super responsive touchscreen, but best of all, you can solar charge them, freeing you up from having to plug them in every night. They're available in 3 sizes for men and women, and they come in a variety of colors and bands. Now for your younger Valentines, Bounce is Garmin's first LTE-connected kids smartwatch, featuring real-time location tracking, two-way text and voice messaging, and health and fitness features. Now here is something for the whole family this Valentine's Day, the Disney Trivia Game. Everyone has a favorite Disney movie and a favorite Disney character. This collectible game is recommended for ages 6 and up and includes special cards just for kids, so even the youngest Disney fans can join the fun. Now, whether you are crowned ultimate Disney trivia master or not, this game will have every player reminiscing on the movies and characters that they love. For more information on all these great Valentine's Day gift ideas, visit dailylounge.com. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Bob.